Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are once again welcome to this virtual classes, and I hope you all are enjoying your studies. These classes you must be enjoying, yes, children. So, this is your English class, and in English, I have already taught you capital letters from A to Z and how to write capital letters within the lines, and now I am teaching you small alphabets, and small alphabets also orally I have taught you from A to Z. I have already taught you. Now I hope you must be recognizing which alphabets are these. Okay, so and small alphabets we have also done how to write within the lines in the copy. Yes, and that I have done till A to L I have already taught you. So now after A which alphabet comes? After L which alphabet comes? After L comes M. So again today I will be teaching you two alphabets, M and N. M and I will be teaching you how to write within the four lines. But before that we are just quickly going to see this small alphabets how to write. Okay, so I have already taught you. We are just going to revise it. Okay, so this is small a. Okay, I hope you must be recognizing it. Okay, small a, this is small b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, and l. Till here I have already taught you till L. So now I'll be teaching you. After L comes M, small m. So how do we write M? Standing line, and from here you will draw like this. Standing line, again go back on the same line and come back. This is small m. Again watch my hands how I am writing. Okay, standing line, go back and then make a curve and then come down. Again go back. This is small l, m, sorry. Okay, again. Okay, just see how I am writing. Okay, I am not lifting up my pencil. On the same line I am drawing a line like this. Okay, this is small m. So this is m, and how do we write n? In the same manner we'll write n, but here we have made this two times, but in n only one time. Okay, just have a look. Standing line, go back on the same line and then again come back. You can say this is upside u. How do you write u? U for umbrella, you write it like this. Yes, yeah. Okay, so now you can turn it around and it will be upside down like this. So, and in this you make this standing line over here. It is now n. N for nose, n for nest. Okay, when you turn u upside down, okay, here you have two u upside down, and here you have one u. Okay, u for umbrella. This is n. Okay, once again, this is n for nose or n for nest. Okay, so got it. So these two alphabets we will be learning how to write within the lines. So you have this copy, English 2 copy. We are going to quickly take out your English 2 copy. In this copy we are going to write this alphabet M. M for monkey and N for nose. So quickly take out your copy and we will do this work in the copy. Right, children? So English 2 copy, by the time you are taking out, I will draw the lines. So children, now I have made the line. So you have to write today is 15.12.20. Today is the 15th date. Okay, you have to first write the date and CW. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to write within the line. Here are 4 lines: 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink, 2 blue, and then pink. From blue line you will start. Okay, most of the small alphabets we start from the blue line or the second line. Okay, from the second line you draw a standing line like this till the third line. Okay, and then as I have told you, make a curve like this, upside down u, again go back and then again come back. This is M. M for monkey. Small m. Again, once again, from the blue line, make ascending line, go back and come down to the third line. Again, go back and come down. This is M. Okay, right? Again. This is M. M for monkey. This is small m. Okay? And in the same manner, you will write small n. Standing line, go back and single upside down U you will make. Okay? When you turn the U upside down, it will look like this. Okay? Again. This is small n. And again, go back. Right? This is n, small n. It's very simple it is. I hope you must have understood it. So you can now do it very neatly in your, which copy? English 2 copy. Fine children, and do the work very neatly. God bless you children.